Lesson 5, percentiles. So a percentile is a way that we rank things, and it tells how much better you are than something else. So it tells you how many things are below you, and it can also help you find things that are better than you or above you. So we use this formula right here. PR equals B over N times 100. B is how many values are below you. N is the total amount of values, and then we times it by 100 to make it into a percentage. So the following are test scores in a class out of 10. There are 3 students who scored 6 out of 10, 4 students who scored 7 out of 10, 2 students who scored 8 out of 10, and 1 student who scored 10 out of 10. So what we're going to say is that if we were to imagine this on a number line, this would be 5, this would be 10, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know that there are 3 students at 6, there are 4 students at 7, there are 2 students at 8, and 1 student who got 10. If we wanted to do a percentile rank for, say, 100%, so if you got 100% on this test, you would be this person. You want to count all of the tests that were worse than you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we would do B divided by N times 100. Our B value is 9 because there's 9 people below you. The total number of students that took the test is 10. Divide those and times by 100, and you would get 90%. So that would mean that you're in the 90th percentile. Say you were a student who got 80%. So if we wanted to do the percentile rank for 80%, so you would be one of these students right here. You could be this one or this one. We don't know which one. When you count the below, you don't count the ones that are also equal to you. So we would just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have B divided by N times 100. Our 7 is our below us. The 10 is still the total. And we times by 100. And you would get 70%, which means you're in the 70th percentile. So for the next example, the following data is collected on the amount of coverage offered by physiotherapy sessions in Vancouver for insurance company. So in order for us to do this, we want to put them in order. So I'm going to have you pause the video, and I want you to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, once you have your numbers in order, they should look something like this. So part A says calculate the percentile for $85. So you have to put them in order or else it's not going to work because you have to count how many are less than 85. And it's just a lot easier to put them in order first. So we want to calculate the percentile rank for this number right now. So we're going to count the rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 below. The total is how many numbers we have in total. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 9 divided by 15 times 100, which equals 60. So it's the 60th percentile. The next question is a little bit different because it tells us the percentile and we need to work backwards. So we're going to say B over N times 100 equals 80 for the 80th percentile. And we know the total is 15. So we have B divided by 15 times 100 is equal to 80. Now we're going to divide by 100 to get it to the other side. And we have B over 15 equals 0.8. Then we're going to times by 15 to get B by itself. So B is equal to 12. So that means there's 12 pieces of data below this. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which means the next number in line would be our answer. So 140 has a percentile rank of the 80th percentile. Okay, example 3. You manage a restaurant and you're comparing food sales with other restaurants. Your restaurant is in the 20th percentile out of 35. Determine how many restaurants earned less than you and how many restaurants earned more than you. So we're going to work backwards. So B over N times 100 equals 20 for the 20th percentile. And we know there's 35 people, so we have B over 35 times 100 equals 20. Now we're going to work backwards, so we're going to start by dividing by 100. So we have B over 35 equals 0.2. Then we're going to times by 35, and we find out that B equals 7, which means if we think about our list, we've got 7 people below you, and then there's you, and then we have to figure out how many people are left. So we'll take 35, subtract yourself, and subtract the 7 people below you, which means there's 27 people who are better than you. Better luck next time. That's percentiles.